Welcome back to Technology YouTube channel. So, with just like 5 days, 5 to 1 week remaining for the launch of Galaxy S23, we now got the official hands-on images, hands-on video of S23. It was being sold somewhere. As you can see on the screen here, this is official. This is not official, but this is how it official can be. It's a leaked photo of S23, and you can see the sides are not that curved. It's a little bit flat, but yeah, and the finish looks nice. We have it in green color, like this green color, botanical green, which looks nice. And also it confirms the S pen, like the only the tip will resemble the color of the handset, and the rest will be matte black. Here are all three color variant, which was the yeah, which is black, green, creamish, and white and pink, and they look pretty nice nonetheless. Like they look awesome, and I'm pretty excited about this phone and the camera bump. Even though there's a little bit of bump, it looks nice with that concave finish, which is similar to Watch 5 Pro, like which they launch later down the line. Also, there is a change on the box design a little bit. Box doesn't show any more S23 Ultra in a big S shape, but it now resembles the phone, like the backside of the phone a little bit, which is a nice thing to see, which is a nice little touch of by Samsung. It's bit weird, but it looks nice nonetheless. And yeah, it's from Samsung and it's for S23 Ultra. We also have it for S23 Plus and S23, and they all have the box similar to what the phone will be from inside. So yeah, it's nice, and in the box you will get the same things, which is your phone and the cable, and that's it. Not a charging brick. Maybe you can get it if you pre-order it, but we still don't know. Yeah, but it's nice. Like we are getting stuff done. And S23 Ultra, it's nice with that, and it doesn't look that bad with that S23 with that 200 megapixel camera sensor. Like it's not going back, like protruding back a little bit, too low. And along with it, this is the cream color variant, but maybe it's from the different angle that white shines like a creamish. But yeah, it looks different maybe from the lighting or stuff. But yeah, it looks pretty awesome nonetheless. Yeah, I'm pretty excited when this phone launches. As you can see, these are all the four color variants, and Cream might be launching exclusive to the website or in limited quantities. And this is S23 Ultra packaging of the box, and these are all S23 Plus and S23 cameras phones packaging. Yes, they resemble what's inside the package. So yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the video? Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one.